I knew HR was very people-focused. I'm a big introvert, so that was my biggest barrier. I was aware that this would be out of my comfort zone. Luckily, when I entered this position, I came into it like I want to learn, and luckily that's what my manager supported. My name is Jasmine Villalta, and I am the HR Coordinator 2 here at the Gaithersburg site. My main thing is supporting the site. My biggest thing is helping all our employees with their individual needs. So if they need help with where do I find benefit information, I need help with requesting vacation, I need help with the time clock. I support engagement, I support recruiting, basically anything the site needs. Before joining Saint-Gobain, I was in college. While studying, I was teaching adult ESL, and then the pandemic started. I applied as a temp for the manufacturing role. In 2022 was when an opportunity came for an HR role as HR coordinator. My background is in psychology as well as education. I consider myself a lifelong student, so I was interested to learn more about HR. I definitely feel like I am helping. That's the biggest word for me. I'm helping the company, I'm helping us improve. When I'm helping managers, I'm helping them so that their teams can get better. I'm helping so that they have the data they need for decisions they need to make. So I think HR is a support for everyone at the company, and I actually really enjoy that. I love Gaithersburg. It's diverse. I love that you see all sorts of people here. Manufacturing is a field where anyone can learn how to do it and anyone can grow. If you want to try, you can build a career out of it. I've luckily had that encouragement from lots of different people during my time at Saint-Gobain. Being a woman in manufacturing, there are times when you can feel kind of out of place, but I think it's just important to build community with other women. It's important among women to encourage each other. If a woman tells me, I don't know if I should apply, I always say just apply, to see they're there, and then that can be reassurance for you. We're all here, we're all doing this. My name is Jasmine Villalta, and I am a manufacturer.